every few years, either being forced by procurement rules or due to deteriorating relationships. A lot of our clients will need to change digital agencies to support their websites, software as a service application, or customer portals. Handing over the keys to this digital kingdom can be a daunting task, and the migration of a big system is actually quite risky. It's very different than a standard website revamp where you can pretty much discard the old platform and build from scratch and deploy something new. When you have thousands of users accessing live systems that are running 24/7, you need to have a good and a strict process in place. We've done that for dozens of clients, from back office systems to SaaS applications in Laravel or Drupal CMS websites. Over the years, we've ironed out a very clean process that makes the transition seamless and usually without any downtime. So whether you're a developer on the agency side, or if you're part of a digital team on the client side, and you're planning such a move, let me share with you a few tips and areas to look at to ensure a smooth transition. Let's get to it. Hey, welcome to this new edition of Digital Blitz, your short brief on everything UX, tech, and compliance. I'm Sylvain Reiter, and I'm here to help you make better decisions and succeed in digital by delivering better experiences for your team and your customers. So to execute the migration of such digital system, there are three main phases. I'll start with the planning, the execution, and the validation. So start with the planning. First of all, you need to ensure that you have access to all systems, all your domains, your servers, databases, the hosting platform. You need to have access to all of that and share that securely with your new partner. And at this phase, you need to allow enough time and some budget for an initial training and discovery and an audit from the new agency. Because they will always have some feedback, whether it's right or wrong. The new team will want to do it their way, their own process, their own ways of managing environments, their own deployment pipeline that they're comfortable with. And I really think it's the best option to allow that time to remain efficient in a long time, because your new team needs to be comfortable managing the system with the tools that they're familiar with. The second phase is the execution. During the transition, it's very hard to go live straight away. So I always recommend testing some small changes, a simple task on the backlog, like a copy change even, but it's just to ensure that you test the end-to-end process all the way to live deployment. This will help to document the switchover about what needs to happen on the day. And if you need to, you will realize that if you need to inform users or other stakeholders in the team. So it's important at that stage to gain that confidence from everyone before disconnecting. And obviously, before the actual go live, you need to make sure that you have a rollback plan in place. Because even if the transition goes smoothly, I recommend a phase of validation where you allow up to 1 week to keep the incumbent on standby just in case. Not necessarily to roll back, because that would have happened the same day, but just allow a few more days just in case you have some questions or you need to compare some data in the legacy systems. It's always safer like that. From our experience of doing that over the years, the main lesson that applies at all stages is the communication. You need to communicate with everyone, because you might have a disgruntled incumbent partner that might not play ball and be very helpful during the transition. And that's when you need to find ways to align everyone and rally the troops around the same objectives. Even with the best tools and the best technology in place, you still need that human factor, the human connection, and building strong relationship between all parties to communicate efficiently in a very professional manner. If you follow all of those, all should go well and you'll have a smooth transition. That's it for today. So if you're considering transferring your platform to a new team, or if you need to upgrade your current system, leave me some comments below or get in touch. You can watch more video about digital optimization on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with me and grow your career in digital. Until next time, stay safe and see you soon.